Get ready to Renaissance! I invite you to join us and become part of the positive change happening in Sullivan County. I'm going to give you a broad overview of the program, along with a few suggestions on how to get involved. And of course, you can call us for additional information or with any questions you may have.
What is Sullivan Renaissance?
Sullivan Renaissance is a beautification and community development program principally funded by the Gehry Foundation. Sullivan Renaissance has built upon the simple idea that planting flowers can help revitalize Sullivan County, and enhancing our appearance will build community pride. Hundreds of volunteer-based beautification and community development projects involving thousands of individuals have sprouted in every town and village of Sullivan County.
Why Sullivan Renaissance?
Sullivan Renaissance is a growing demonstration of what happens when people who care come together to work, literally from the ground up.
How does the program work?
A limited number of projects are funded each year through a competitive application process. Application deadlines, reporting requirements, and grant amounts vary by program. Applications are available at sullivanrenaissance.org or by calling the Sullivan Renaissance office at 845-295-2445. Our staff will assist with the application process, and we will travel to any location to meet with volunteers at any time. Okay, so now you're probably ready to ask,
how can I participate?
Individuals can volunteer to work with a Renaissance group. You can also work on your own to make your property and community a cleaner and more beautiful place. Each person has something of value to contribute. Community groups and municipalities can apply for a grant to undertake a project. Eligible projects involve collaboration of at least 2 groups and must involve youth in some way. Young people can apply for a gardening internship or volunteer for a community project. Hours may qualify for community service requirements or make you eligible for scholarships. Businesses can join the Merchant Discount Program by offering discounts to Renaissance groups, which supports dollars spent locally. Visit sullivanrenaissance.org or log on to Facebook at facebook.com/sullivanrenaissance. Or you can call the office at 845-295-2445 to find out how you can become part of the positive change happening in Sullivan County. Together, we are making a difference.